Cardiovascular system. The system responsible for blood circulation is known as cardiovascular system. It composed of heart and vessels, artery and veins. Circulation. The process in which blood and lymph flow through the closed system of vessels is called circulation. There are three types of circulation: systemic, pulmonary and coronary. Systemic circulation is the passage of blood from left ventricle tissue and from the tissue to the right atrium. Pulmonary circulation is the passage of blood from right ventricle to the lungs and from the lungs to the left atrium. Coronary circulation is the nutrients are not able to diffuse quickly from blood to supply all the layers of cell heart wall. For the reason, the myocardium has its own network and blood vessels called coronary circulation. Importance of circulation: to supply oxygen, to carry waste products, help to maintain temperature and to prevent intravascular coagulation. Heart. Heart is the muscular organ in humans and other animals which pumps blood through the blood vessels of the circulatory system. Blood provides the body with oxygen and nutrients, as well as assists in the removal of metabolic wastes. In human, the heart is located between the lungs in the middle compartment of the chest. Features of heart: shape is conical and size is 12 cm from base to apex. Weighs around 300 grams in male and 250 grams in female. Apex formed by the left ventricle and the base is mainly by the left atrium. There are the four chambers of the heart: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Three surfaces: anterior or sternocostal, formed by the right atrium and right ventricle. Inferior is formed by the left ventricle and right ventricle, 2/3 and 1/3. Left surface, mostly by left ventricle. There are the four borders of heart. Upper border is formed by two atria. Inferior, mainly by right ventricle. Right border, right atrium, and the left is mainly by left ventricle. Groove. Atrioventricular groove or coronary sulcus. Anterior part and has a posterior part. Intraventricular groove is anterior and posterior. There are the two septum: intraventricular septum and interatrial septum. Four valves: two atrioventricular valves and two seminal valves. Atrioventricular valves are bicuspid and tricuspid. Semilunar valves are pulmonary and aortic. Three layers of wall: outer epicardium, composed of mesolethal cells. Middle myocardium, consists of cardiac muscle. Inner endocardium, lined by squamous epithelium. Cardiac output. The cardiac output is simply the amount of blood pumped by the heart per minute, where HR is heart rate and SV is the stroke volume. Necessarily, the cardiac output is the product of the heart rate, which is the number of beats per minute, and the stroke volume, which is amount pumped per beat. The cardiac output is usually expressed in liter per minute. In a way around the 70 kg of male, the cardiac output at rest is about 5 liters per minute. In this case, if the heart rate is 70 beats per minute, the stroke volume would be a little more than 70 ml per beat. Pulse or heart rate. Pulse is a rhythmic dilation and elongation of atrial wall as a result of the intermittent ejection of blood from heart, transmitted as a wave of periphery. Normal pulse rate is around 60 to 90 per minute and average 72 minutes. Tachycardia. Tachycardia means fast heart rate. It is increased heart rate above the normal physiological limit, usually above 100 beats per minute, is called tachycardia. The causes are raised body temperature, toxic condition of heart, etc. Bradycardia. The term bradycardia means slow heart rate. Decreased heart rate below the lower normal physiological limit, usually below 60 beats per minute, is called bradycardia. Causes can be the many. As an example is a complication of heart surgery, medication, including some drugs or other heart rhythm disorders, etc. Blood pressure. Blood pressure can be defined as a lateral pressure of blood on its wall while flowing above it. Systolic is 120 mm of Hg and diastolic is 80 mm of Hg. Importance is it is essential for the flow of blood through the circulatory tube. Types of blood pressure is systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, pulse pressure and mean pressure. Thank you for your patient listening.